What if I shared that a single natural leaf might combat diabetes, decrease harmful cholesterol, and reduce persistent abdominal fat simultaneously? This may seem unbelievable, but remain with me briefly. You do not require costly medications, elaborate therapies, or restrictive meal plans to enhance your well being. Occasionally, nature provides precisely what we require. Today, we will discuss one remarkable leaf that has been transforming lives quietly. Hello, friend. If you are above 60 and weary of battling blood sugar fluctuations, increasing cholesterol levels, or resistant stomach weight that refuses to disappear, this could be the most significant information you encounter this week. Research confirms this leaf contains unique compounds that aid metabolism, safeguard your heart, diminish inflammation, and assist your body in burning fat more effectively, even during rest. There is more. Before disclosing the number one most potent leaf, I will also introduce several others possibly already in your kitchen or garden, each offering exceptional advantages for digestion, circulation, vitality, and even appetite control. Share in the comments if you have ever utilized herbal leaves for health. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel where we deliver natural, scientifically supported advice for a healthier life weekly. Prepared to begin your journey toward a slimmer, fitter body? Let us explore, as the initial leaf on our list may already reside in your tea collection. A leaf you likely know. Peppermint. It is more than a refreshing taste. Were you aware it can elevate your metabolism even while inactive? This means your body naturally expends more calories, a process that becomes more challenging with age. Peppermint offers additional benefits. It calms digestion, minimizes bloating, and aids in eliminating excess fluids, causing that uncomfortable swollen stomach sensation. Better yet, studies indicate peppermint stabilizes blood sugar, prevents glucose surges, and reduces sweet cravings. It also benefits your heart by lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, increasing good HDL, and shielding your arteries. One comforting cup of peppermint tea daily can work miracles. Have you sampled it previously? Share your preferred method of enjoying peppermint below. Like this video if these tips assist you. Next, a lesser-known leaf abundant in plant protein and fiber. Its capabilities will astonish you. Now, let us discuss a leaf you may not recognize, moringa. It sounds unusual, but this small leaf is a nutritional marvel. It contains ample plant-based protein and fiber, helping you feel satisfied longer, curb cravings, and maintain steady blood sugar post-meals. This is crucial for diabetes management or avoiding energy dips leaving you exhausted and hungry. The fiber in this leaf also removes excess cholesterol, protects arteries, and promotes healthy digestion. Many experience reduced bloating and improved regularity after incorporating it. Additionally, moringa combats hidden inflammation and enhances overall metabolism. Have you tried this leaf in soups or stir-fries? Inform me below. Stay tuned, as the next leaf has been used for generations to soothe inflammation and regulate blood sugar naturally. Here is a leaf that has aided people for centuries. Sage. If you struggle with persistent belly fat, elevated blood sugar, or rising cholesterol, this leaf could become essential. Sage possesses natural anti-inflammatory properties that soothe your body internally. This matters because chronic inflammation contributes to weight gain, insulin resistance, and heart concerns. It also helps control blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to absorb glucose without dangerous spikes. Furthermore, it lowers bad cholesterol while elevating the good kind, supporting heart health. Have you cooked with sage or consumed it as tea? Share in the comments. Next, a revered leaf known for dissolving belly fat and purifying the body internally. A mighty leaf often termed the queen of herbs, tulsi. This is not ordinary basil. It is valued for its healing traits, particularly concerning blood sugar and cholesterol. Tulsi balances blood sugar and prevents sharp spikes leading to weight gain and fatigue. It also reduces inflammation, the hidden cause of abdominal fat, insulin resistance, and heart issues. Additionally, it decreases bad cholesterol and enhances circulation, making it a true heart ally. If you feel bloated or sluggish, Tulsi acts as a mild detox, eliminating excess fluids and toxins. Have you tried Tulsi tea or cooking with it? Share your experience. Next, a common pizza herb with unexpected benefits for blood sugar and waistline. You may view oregano as merely a pizza topping, but it is among the most potent metabolism-boosting herbs. Oregano is rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation and shield cells from damage, especially the type linked to diabetes, cholesterol problems, and stubborn belly fat. Its natural compounds enhance insulin sensitivity, helping your body process sugar smoothly and avoid spikes. This results in steadier energy and fewer cravings. It also promotes healthy cholesterol by lowering LDL and raising HDL while clearing arteries and protecting your heart. Do you add oregano to soups or salads? Share your usage below. Next, a modest leaf acting as nature's diuretic, aiding kidneys, heart, and stomach simultaneously. Let us discuss a leaf likely in your fridge now. Parsley. It appears simple, but do not underestimate it. Parsley is one of nature's finest natural diuretics. It helps your body expel excess fluid, sodium, and toxins, relieving bloating and easing kidney and heart strain. It also supports healthy blood sugar by improving insulin response, meaning fewer sugar spikes and more stable energy. Additionally, parsley lowers bad cholesterol, fights inflammation, and supports your liver. It is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, plus minerals like potassium and iron. Do you include parsley in meals or juices? Share your methods. Next, a soothing leaf that calms nerves while balancing blood sugar and reducing belly fat. Now let us examine a relaxing herb with hidden benefits, lemon balm. Known for its calming aroma, it offers more than relaxation. Lemon balm naturally lowers blood sugar by enhancing insulin usage, making it a gentle aid for diabetes management or prevention. It also fights chronic inflammation, a key factor in belly fat, high cholesterol, and heart disease. Stressed. Lemon balm reduces cortisol, the stress hormone prompting fat storage, particularly around the midsection. Plus, it supports healthy blood pressure, circulation, and digestion. Have you tried lemon balm tea at night? Share in the comments. Next, a fresh minty leaf that benefits stomach and blood sugar. You may enjoy mint's refreshing taste, but did you know it aids digestion, blood sugar, and belly fat? Mint soothes digestion, reduces gas and bloating, and helps your body process food efficiently, meaning less discomfort and better fat breakdown. It also has mild diuretic effects, helping release excess fluid and sodium, beneficial if you often feel puffy, especially around the midsection. Mint also stabilizes blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity, reducing spikes, and maintaining steady energy. Its antioxidants support healthy cholesterol and heart function. Do you add mint to water or salads? Share your favorite use. Next, a flavorful leaf that reduces inflammation and protects your heart. Let us examine basil, a fragrant leaf you may cook with regularly. Beyond flavor, basil has healing properties. It regulates blood sugar by enhancing insulin response, meaning fewer sugar highs and crashes and better daily energy. Basil also fights inflammation, a root cause of weight gain, high cholesterol, and heart disease. It balances cholesterol by lowering LDL and raising HDL, keeping arteries clear and your heart protected. Additionally, basil eases stress by balancing cortisol, aiding weight and craving management. Do you use fresh basil or as tea? Share below. Next, a common weed with powerful detox properties. You may have seen dandelion in your yard, but this leaf is one of nature's strongest detox tools. Dandelion cleanses your liver, which significantly impacts fat, sugar, and toxin processing. A healthier liver means better metabolism and easier fat loss, especially around the stomach. It also acts as a natural diuretic, flushing excess fluid and sodium, helping you feel lighter. Dandelion supports healthy blood sugar by improving insulin response and preventing spikes. For cholesterol, it reduces LDL and keeps arteries clean. Plus, it soothes inflammation and digestion in blood vessels. Have you tried dandelion tea or greens in salads? Share your experience. Next, a fragrant leaf that boosts metabolism and accelerates fat burning. A delightful herb you may cook with. Rosemary. Beyond aroma and flavor, it is a powerful metabolism and heart ally. Rosemary improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body handle sugar efficiently, leading to stable blood sugar and less fat storage. It also lowers LDL, supports circulation, and keeps arteries clean, benefiting your heart. Remarkably, rosemary helps cells burn more fat by boosting mitochondrial activity, your body's energy engines. Like many herbs, it is anti-inflammatory and a mild diuretic, aiding toxin release and reducing swelling. Do you use rosemary in cooking or teas? Share your preference. Next, a surprising leaf from a creamy fruit that benefits blood sugar and liver fat. You may enjoy the fruit, but have you heard of avocado leaf's power? This leaf is a hidden gem for blood sugar, cholesterol, and belly fat. It is highly anti-inflammatory, calming your body and protecting your heart, liver, and kidneys. Avocado leaves improve insulin usage, meaning less sugar stored as fat and more balanced energy. They also break down liver fat, often dangerous silently, especially with age. For cholesterol, this leaf lowers LDL and raises HDL, improving circulation and reducing heart risks. It even acts as a natural diuretic, reducing swelling and flushing toxins. Have you tried avocado leaf tea? Share if you would. Next, a sweet-scented leaf targeting blood sugar and belly fat. Mango leaf has potent benefits few know. It is especially helpful for blood sugar and belly fat management. Mango leaves are rich in antioxidants that support insulin balance, preventing spikes and crashes, meaning steadier energy and less belly fat storage. They also lower LDL and protect arteries from plaque, keeping your heart healthier. Additionally, mango leaves aid fat breakdown by activating enzymes that help your body use stored fat as energy. With mild anti-inflammatory and detox effects, they gently support metabolism and wellness. Have you used mango leaves in tea? Share your thoughts. Next, a leaf you likely cook with that quietly aids digestion, heart health, and blood sugar. Bay leaves help your body digest food better by boosting enzymes, meaning less fat buildup and bloating. They improve insulin sensitivity, keeping blood sugar stable, key for diabetes management or prevention. Bay leaves lower LDL, protect arteries, and support circulation, vital for heart health. With mild diuretic effects, they flush excess fluid and reduce swelling, especially around the stomach. Do you cook with whole bay leaves? Share your use. Next, a leaf packed with flavonoids that fights inflammation, sugar spikes, and belly fat. Let us discuss an often overlooked leaf, mulberry. It is among the most comprehensive leaves for metabolism support, especially for diabetes or cholesterol management. Mulberry leaves regulate blood sugar by improving insulin response, reducing spikes leading to fat storage and energy crashes. They support circulation by strengthening blood vessels and lowering LDL while increasing HDL, great for your heart. This leaf also boosts fat burning, particularly around the belly, and calms internal inflammation, slowing metabolism. Enjoy it as tea or in supplements. It is simple, safe, and effective. Have you tried mulberry leaf tea? Share below. Now prepare for the most powerful leaf of all, one that could truly transform your health. If you seek natural support for diabetes, high cholesterol, and stubborn belly fat, this leaf excels. Olive leaves are rich in oleuropein, a compound that balances blood sugar, improves insulin sensitivity, and prevents spikes leading to fat storage, especially around the stomach. They also lower LDL, raise HDL, and protect arteries from buildup, reducing heart attack and stroke risks. More impressively, olive leaf activates fat-burning enzymes and reduces liver fat, making it among the best natural options for full-body metabolic support. Do you take olive leaf extract or drink it as tea? Share your experience. Remember, sometimes nature's simplest offerings make the biggest difference. So there you have it. Some of nature's most potent healing leaves. From peppermint to olive leaf, each offers unique benefits for blood sugar, cholesterol, inflammation, or stubborn belly fat. Best of all, most are easy to find, use, and gentle on your body. You do not need expensive pills or complex routines. Sometimes it starts with a simple cup of tea or herbs sprinkled on meals. If any of these leaves are part of your routine, share in the comments. If you tried something new today, let me know how it goes. Your experience may inspire others. If this video helped, please like and subscribe to my channel. We provide simple, natural tips to help you feel stronger, lighter, and more in control of your health. Take care, and see you in the next video.